Hello and welcome back to my channel, YouTubers. So just recently I replaced the cabin air filter for a 2015 Hyundai Sonata. So today I'm going to replace the air filter. The air filter for the same vehicle, 2015 Hyundai Sonata. Once again, this is easy steps. Easy to do. I know if I can do this, you can do this. I'm trying to save you money as well as myself. So if you're ready for this journey, let's go. Okay, so the air filter is under the hood, of course. So we're gonna come here, lift the hood up. And the air filter is in here, this compartment right here. What you want to do is lift up on this right here. Lift this up right here. Set aside. You see this latch right here? It says lock and unlock. Turn it to unlock. You got two of them. Turn this to unlock. And what you want to do, you want to grab it right here. You want to pull it out. It's going to be kind of difficult. You got to play with it. And guess what? That's how it looks. It's dirty. Dirty. This is your air filter. That was easy, huh? So what we're going to do is replace it in reverse order. So hold on. Side-by-side comparison. This is the before, the dirty one. And this is the new one. So once again, in reverse order. Just like so. Now your new filter is going to come with two rods, just like this right here. You have a right side and a left side. What you want to do is be sure you place them in these grooves right here. And you be sure they click in. This is what's going to hold the air filter in place. Just like so. Push it in. Go up to lock it. And you're done. Just like that. Just like that. How about that? So once again, YouTubers, it's pretty simple, huh? And the dealership wanted to charge me. I'll show you in a minute. So if I can do it, you can do it.